Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create amazing print-on-demand phone cases using only Canva, one of the easiest and most powerful design tools out there. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to put together eye-catching, original phone case designs that you can sell online to start making money, even if you've never designed anything before. I'll break down each step in a way that's simple to follow so you can get your designs ready and out into the world as soon as today. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Canva. If you don't have an account already, just pause the video and sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. Canva is fantastic for both beginners and pros because its interface is really friendly and everything is right at your fingertips. Once you've logged in, you'll see the big dashboard, and up at the top, there's a button marked Create a Design. Go ahead and click it. This is your starting point for just about any project in Canva. Now in the search bar that pops up, type the word phone. Canva is smart and will show you all sorts of templates tailored for phone cases. It does a lot of the formatting work for you, so you don't have to stress about sizing or awkward cropping later on. This step is so important because starting with the right canvas ensures your final design will fit perfectly when it's printed onto a real phone case. Imagine it like picking the right-sized frame before you start painting your masterpiece. Once you see the selection of templates, take your time and scroll through. There are plenty of styles to choose from: minimalistic, bold and colorful, artsy, or maybe something super trendy. Choose a template that feels like a good fit for the kind of phone cases you want to sell, but remember, this is just your starting point. You're about to make it truly your own. Now for the fun part, editing the design. Click into the template and start swapping out elements. You can change out backgrounds, add new graphics, shapes, or even upload your own photos or artwork. Think about trends you see in the market, maybe boho patterns, floral illustrations, fun typography, or even clever quotes. The key here is to create something unique that stands out. Take a moment to play around and experiment. Don't worry if it feels messy at first. Sometimes the best ideas come from a bit of trial and error. Next up, let's talk colors. This is where your design really comes to life. Use Canva's color tools to adjust the palette until it pops. Think about color psychology and what might appeal to your target buyers, maybe calming pastels, bold neons, or classy monochromes. Even a slight color tweak can change the whole vibe of your phone case, so don't be afraid to try a few different options. And remember, you can always use the undo button if something doesn't look quite right. Once you're happy with your design, let's get it ready for print. Click the Share button up in the corner, then choose Download. For print on demand, you want to select PDF print. This ensures your design will come out crisp and clear when it's produced as a real phone case. It might take a few moments for Canva to process the download, especially if your design is detailed, so just hang tight. And that's it. You've just created a professional-looking phone case design all on your own. From here, you can upload it to any pod platform, set your price, and start making sales. It really is that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of phone case designs you're making, or if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides on making money with your creativity. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.